I'm Ty with WTI, and this is my Chi Thermal Protectant Spray. I started using this Chi 44 Thermal Protectant Spray as an essential part of my hair care routine when I started using heat styling tools again. What I love about this spray is that it provides an invisible shield that helps prevent damage and breakage while leaving my hair feeling light and natural. Whenever I'm using hairstyling tools that are hot tools like curling irons or straighteners, I want to ensure that my hair remains healthy and vibrant. And this thermal protection spray offers that assurance, allowing me to create beautiful styles without worrying about the dreaded heat damage. One of the things that I particularly like is that it doesn't weigh my hair down, even though my hair is thin and fine, and it doesn't make my hair feel sticky. I like that it's clear, lightweight, and easy to apply. And that's my point of view.